Good evening. Introduce yourself. Where are you from?
Hello, I am Mina. I am from Serbia and live in Velika Plana.
What do you think of this school?
I think this school is really the right choice if you want to study economy later and if you love economy.
Why did you choose this profile?
I chose this profile because I really love economy, and since I was young, I really wanted to study economy, and I knew that I will study economy and that I will really fall in love with economy later in life.
What are your plans for the future?
I would really like to go to the college and study economy, as I said from the last question. So I think that I will go to the college, study economy, and hope later to work in some bank, for example.
Do you know how to write a business letter to a software?
Yes, I know, because in this school we learn how to write a lot of letters, not just to suppliers, to another business companies.
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
I see myself as a teacher, maybe business economics teacher in school, or maybe an employer in a bank.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you too.